Dear students, how are you? I think you are safe and sound. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty God. Dear students, before starting my class, I would thank to all of my viewers, all of the honorable teachers, all of the respected guardians who are with me and watching this class. On behalf of Port Secondary School, this is Himanshu Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English. Dear learners, you know different teachers from various educational institutions are taking classes on online, and these classes are very important for your academic career. I believe you must follow these classes. Dear learners, today I am here to take a class from your EFT book, that is from English first paper book. So, dear students, open your textbook at page number 45. Take your pen, open your notebook and follow me carefully. Dear learners, before starting my class, I want to show something from a mobile phone. So, dear students, look it very carefully. I believe or I think you can see it clearly. I have a question for you. Do you know this woman? Yes, I think you know her very well, and she is Begum Rokeya. So, our today's topic is Begum Rokeya. Topic Great Women 2. Remember, Unit 5, lesson on Begum Rokeya. Part 1. Dear students, today I will read the text with Bengali meaning, and you have to follow my lecture. After finishing my task, I will ask you something, so carefully follow my lecture. Dear students, Begum Rokeya plays a vital role in Bengali literature or English literature. She is a pioneer of liberation of women in South Asia. Every year, Begum Rokeya Day is observed in our country, and our government offers Begum Rokeya Padak for the outstanding contribution, especially for women folk in our country. So, dear learners, let's enjoy the class. Read about Begum Rokeya. I will read the text with Bengali meaning. So follow me carefully. Begum Rokeya 1880 to 1932 was a famous writer and a social worker. বেগম রোকেয়া ছিলেন একজন বিখ্যাত লেখিকা এবং সমাজকর্মী. She lived in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. তিনি বিংশ শতাব্দীর শুরুতে অবিভক্ত বাংলায় বাস করতেন. She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunity as men have in the society. তিনি বিশ্বাস করতেন যে সমাজে পুরুষের যেমন সুযোগ সুবিধা রয়েছে, নারীদেরও তদ্রূপ একই রকম সুযোগ সুবিধা থাকা উচিত. So she fought for their cause throughout her life. তাই তিনি জীবনভর তাদের জন্য সংগ্রাম করেছেন. বেগম রোকেয়া was born in a village called Pairaband, Rangpur in 1880. বেগম রোকেয়া রংপুর জেলার পায়রাবন্দ নামক একটা গ্রামে 1880 সালে জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন. Her father, Jairuddin Muhammad Abu Ali Haidar Saber, was an educated landlord. তার পিতা জহিরুদ্দিন মোহাম্মদ আবু আলী হায়দার সাবের ছিলেন একজন শিক্ষিত জমিদার. রোকেয়া was married to Khan Bahadur Sakawat Hussain in 1896. বেগম রোকেয়া খান বাহাদুর সাকাওয়াত হোসেন নামে একজন ব্যক্তির সঙ্গে 1896 সালে বিবাহ বন্ধনে আবদ্ধ হন. Her husband was the deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district in the Indian state of Bihar. তার স্বামী ছিলেন একজন সহকারী ম্যাজিস্ট্রেট, যেটা ভারতীয় প্রদেশ বিহারের একটি রাষ্ট্র. এবং বিহারের একটি জেলা. He was very cooperative and always encouraged Rokeya to go on with her activities. তিনি ছিলেন খুবই সহযোগিতাপূর্ণ এবং তিনি সবসময় রোকেয়াকে তার কর্মকাণ্ড চালিয়ে যেতে অনুপ্রাণিত করতেন, উৎসাহিত করতেন. Many upper class Muslims of Bengal at that time learned Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communication. অনেক উচ্চপদস্থ মুসলিমরা তৎকালীন বাংলার তারা আরবি এবং ফার্সি শিখেছিলেন শিক্ষার মাধ্যম হিসাবে এবং যোগাযোগের মাধ্যম হিসাবে. বাট রোকেয়া হ্যাড গ্রেট লাভ ফর হার মাদার টাং. কিন্তু রোকেয়ার তার মাতৃভাষার প্রতি অগাধ ভালোবাসা ছিল. She learned Bangla and English from her eldest brother Ibrahim. তিনি বাংলা এবং ইংরেজি তার বড় ভাই ইব্রাহিমের কাছ থেকে শিখেছিলেন. Dear students, I have already finished my reading. Now I will discuss some vocabulary. You know, vocabulary is very important for English language and any other language, so you have to learn it very carefully. Now, dear students, look at the board. I have already written some vocabulary or vocabs on the board for saving the time. So, dear students, you have to take down it or copy it on your notebook and follow it carefully. Serial number, word, parts of space, Bengali meaning, synonym, antonym. The number 1, word undivided, and this word is adjective, and Bengali meaning is abhibhakta, synonym is total or whole or entire. Antonym is divided or distracted. Next, opportunity. This is a noun, and this word mean in Bengali sujog, synonym scope, antonym is closing or bad luck. Next, number 3, throughout. This word is adverb. Bengali meaning is sarbotra, synonym is all over or everywhere. Antonym is nowhere or at no time. Next, number 4, encourage. This word is verb. Bengali meaning is উৎসাহিত বা অনুপ্রাণিত করা. Synonym is inspire or motivate. Antonym is discourage. Next, number 5, word medium, and this word is also noun, and Bengali meaning is madhyam. Synonym is means. Antonym is extreme. Number 6, communication. This word is also a noun. Bengali meaning is jogajog. Synonym is links or connections. Antonym is quite or cover. Now, dear students, I will move to another thing, and that is MCQ from your textbook, page number 45. You have got it? Yes, I think you have got it. Now, look at exercise number C, MCQ, multiple choice question. Number 1, Begum Rokeya fought for option A, democracy, B, independence, number C, women's rights. Here you can find only 3 options in your textbook or EFT book. Now, the correct answer is number C, and that is women's rights. I'll move to another thing, and that is number 2, for the MCQ. Number 2, Rokeya was born in option number A village, B, a town, C, a slum. And the answer is option number A, that is a village. Number 3, Rokeya loved option number A, English, option number B, Bangla, option number C, Urdu. Only you can find 3 options here. In your exam paper you can find 4 options, and in your textbook you can find only 3 options, and the answer will be option number B, that is Bangla. Now turn to page number 46. Question number 4, that is Sakat Hossain's working place was option number A, Pairaband, option number B, Bhagalpur, option number C, Rangpur. And the correct answer is Bhagalpur, option number B. Next, question number 5. Bhagalpur is a district in option number A, Bangladesh, option number B, West Bengal, option number C, Bihar. Here the answer is option number C, and that is Bihar. Now read the text again and complete the following chart with information from the text. One is done for you. Begum Rokeya, occupation, writer and social worker, born in 1880, married in 1896, family race, language Bangla and English. Dear students, now read the passage once again and you can find 5 important questions in your textbook. I will write only the answer on the board. First question is, what was Begum Rokeya's belief? বাংলা অর্থ বেগম রোকেয়ার বিশ্বাস কি ছিল? And the answer is, now I will write the answer. You can write it or take down it. One answer, Begum Rokeya's belief was that Begum Rokeya's belief was that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the society. Women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the society. As men have in the society. I will move to another question, that is question number 2. What did she fight for? বাংলা অর্থ, তিনি কিসের জন্য সংগ্রাম করেছিলেন? Now I will write the answer on the board. You have to follow it. She fought for women's cause throughout her life. To answer, she fought for women's cause throughout her life. I will move to next question. That is question number 3. What kind of family did she come from? তিনি কি ধরনের পরিবার থেকে এসেছিলেন? And the answer is she came from a rich solvent Muslim family. Number 4. Why did many upper class Muslims learn Arabic and Persian at that time? কেন উচ্চ বংশীয় মুসলিমরা, উচ্চপদস্থ মুসলিমরা তখনকার দিনে আরবি এবং পার্সি শিখতেন? And the answer is many upper class Muslims of Bengal at that time learned Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communication. Many upper class Muslims of Bengal at that time learned Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communication. As medium of education and communication. Next, I will move to last question, and that is, why did Rokeya learn Bangla and English? Rokeya কেন বাংলা এবং ইংরেজি শিখেছিলেন? And the answer is Rokeya had great love or passion for her mother tongue, so she learned Bangla And for the cause of literature, for the cause of literature, she learned English. And your homework is, you should write a paragraph on Begum Rokeya. Dear students, I have already taken a lot of time. So dear learners, you must stay home, stay safe and be connected with us. No more today. If you want to go outside, you have to wear mask. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.